As technology advances, the need for home security systems has become increasingly important. With so many options on the market, it can be challenging to determine which home security system is right for you. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best home security systems for the year 2023. Our list includes a variety of options ranging from DI systems to professionally installed systems. We have researched and compared each system's features, pricing, and customer reviews to help you make an informed decision when choosing a home security system that fits your needs. Number 1. Vivint Smart Home is a leading provider of home security systems with a wide range of smart home devices and features designed to keep your home and family safe. Its comprehensive home security system includes a control panel, door and window sensors, motion detectors, and a high-quality video camera with night vision, live streaming, and two-way audio. The mobile app allows you to control your smart home devices from anywhere, receive notifications if a sensor is triggered, and arm and disarm your system remotely. Vivint Smart Home also offers a professional monitoring service that monitors your home 24/7. And if your security system is triggered, a trained professional will contact you and dispatch emergency services if necessary. Additionally, Vivint Smart Home offers a wide range of smart home devices, such as smart locks, smart thermostats, smart lighting, and a garage door controller that can be controlled from your phone or the Vivint Smart Home app. The installation process is easy, and a trained technician will install your home security system and smart home devices for you. The pricing starts at around $30 per month, and Vivint Smart Home offers several different packages that are designed to meet different needs and budgets. Although Vivint Smart Home is not the cheapest option on the market, it offers excellent value for the price and is the best home security system for most people. Overall, Vivint Smart Home is a reliable and efficient home security system that is easy to use and offers excellent features and benefits. Ring Alarm Pro is a comprehensive DIY home security system that offers a range of features and benefits to keep your home and family safe. One of the key benefits of this system is its comprehensive security measures that include a base station, door and window sensors, motion detectors, and a high-quality video camera with night vision and two-way audio. The mobile app enables remote monitoring and control of your smart home devices such as lights, thermostats, and locks. The professional monitoring service provides an additional layer of protection by dispatching emergency services if necessary. Ring Alarm Pro also offers a wide range of smart home devices that can be integrated with your home security system, enabling you to control various aspects of your home from your phone or the Ring Alarm Pro app. The system is designed to be user-friendly, and the company provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the installation process, which can be completed in under an hour without requiring special tools or skills. In terms of pricing, Ring Alarm Pro is one of the most affordable home security systems on the market, with different packages available to meet various budgets and needs. The basic package includes 24/7 monitoring, a base station, door and window sensors, and a mobile app, while the more advanced packages offer additional features such as video cameras, smart locks, and smart thermostat. Overall, Ring Alarm Pro is an excellent choice for homeowners and renters who are looking for an affordable, comprehensive DIY home security system that includes smart home devices. While it may not have all the features of some of the more expensive systems on the market, it offers excellent value for the price and is the best DIY home security system available. ADT Command is a comprehensive and easy-to-use home security system that offers a range of features and benefits to keep your home and family safe. Its system includes a variety of sensors, a high-quality video camera, and a mobile app that enables you to control your smart home devices remotely. ADT Command also offers a professional monitoring service that can dispatch emergency services if necessary, providing you with 24/7 protection. The system also offers a wide range of smart home devices that can be integrated with your home security system, such as smart locks, thermostats, lighting, and garage door controllers. With the mobile app, you can easily control and monitor your home security system from anywhere. While ADT Command is a premium home security system and is more expensive than some of the other systems on the market, the company offers several different packages that are designed to meet different needs and budget. The basic package starts at around $28 per month and includes 24/7 monitoring, a base station, door and window sensors, and a mobile app, The more advanced packages include additional devices and features like video cameras, smart locks, and smart thermostats. In conclusion, ADT Command is the best overall home security system on the market due to its comprehensive system, mobile app, professional monitoring service, and easy installation process. It is an excellent option for both homeowners and renters who prioritize safety and security. Despite the higher cost, it provides excellent value for the price and offers peace of mind knowing that your home and family are safe and secure. SimpliSafe Home Security System is an affordable and comprehensive security system that provides a range of features and benefits for homeowners and renters. The system includes various sensors such as door and window sensors, motion detectors, and glass break sensors, as well as video cameras that can be placed inside and outside your home. One of the key benefits of SimpliSafe is its no-contract plans, which allows users to choose from a range of monthly monitoring plans, starting at just $14.99. The mobile app enables remote monitoring and control of the system and smart home devices, making it easy to keep an eye on your home from anywhere. Installation of the system is quick and straightforward, and the company also offers professional installation services for an additional fee. SimpliSafe also provides a range of smart home devices that can be integrated with the security system to control various aspects of your home, such as smart locks, thermostats, and lights. Customer service is excellent, with 24/7 support via phone, email, or chat, and a 60-day money-back guarantee is available for unsatisfied customers. Overall, SimpliSafe offers an affordable and user-friendly home security system that provides peace of mind for homeowners and renters who want to keep their homes and families safe. While it may not offer the advanced features of premium home security systems, SimpliSafe delivers excellent value for its price point.
Comcast Xfinity Home is a comprehensive home security system that offers a range of features to keep your home and family safe. The system includes security cameras, door and window sensors, and smart home automation capabilities. One of the standout features of this system is its ability to integrate with other smart home devices. The Xfinity Home app allows you to control your security system and other smart home devices from your smartphone or tablet, including smart thermostats, lighting systems, and Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant-enabled devices. The Xfinity Home Security System provides 24/7 professional monitoring service, ensuring that a professional monitoring team will be immediately alerted in case of a break-in or other emergency. The system also sends alerts to your phone or other mobile devices to keep you informed of any activity in or around your home. The sensors included in the Xfinity Home Security System, such as door and window sensors, motion detectors, and glass break sensors, can be customized to your specific needs and programmed to alert you or the monitoring team in case of any unusual activity in your home. Additionally, the security cameras provide live video streaming, motion detection, and night vision, and can be placed inside or outside your home to monitor your property. The Xfinity Home Security System is designed to work with other home automation devices, allowing you to set up rules to automatically turn off lights or adjust the thermostat when you leave your home, or even set up routines to turn on certain devices at specific times of the day. Comcast Xfinity Home also offers a range of pricing options to suit different budgets and needs, enabling you to choose the package that best suits your home's requirements.